Hey guys, so I just got my new music boxing machine and this thing is sweet. So I already looked all into it, and so on the back you can take this off, you can attach it somewhere, and then if you have a cord, you can just plug it in right there. And so it comes with a cord, so I meant more like if you have an outlet under where you're gonna put this. But if you don't, it also comes with these Velcro strips, which are really cool. So you can put one on the back of here and one on your wall, and then you can Velcro this to the wall. Or it came with two, so you could actually put it in two different places if you want to move them around, if you want to take them with you to the gym, whatever. It comes with two boxing gloves here. And so, I mean, these are nice. They feel nice and solid. It comes with the boxing gloves. And then also it comes with mounts too. So you have the option to mount it too on here. On here, there's little marks on here, which you can actually use to mount it onto the wall. But let me get right to it and show you guys how it works. So I just turn it on by just holding the button. And then what happens is to start it, you kind of just start hitting it. I guess I put on the wrong glove, but let me put on the right glove and start hitting this thing and show you guys how it works. So this is really cool. This is a sweet little practice thing that you can put in your home gym or in a professional gym, wherever you want. So you kind of hit it. And so it makes that other sound whenever you hit it on the wrong place. And so you can change it interchangeably with whatever sound. So you can actually, you can turn on or off the audio here. You can change the different audio types. You can actually turn it to go faster. So here, it goes all the way up to 12. So look, let me turn it up here. So this is 10 right here. And so that's pretty fast. Let me turn it to 12. So that's how fast it can go. Boom, 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 boom. So it goes pretty fast. It can go even faster. But this is sweet. I like this thing, and I'm definitely going to give this a thumbs up because it's just very practical, and it can Velcro, it can stick, it can go wherever you want to put it in your gym. So this is sweet. Thumbs up.